Okay, you need to see this cheese pull. I absolutely love this recipe. Now for the dressing. Let's add extra virgin olive oil. Fresh lemon juice is always best. Next, we need garlic, salt, and... Let's assemble our salad. First, add 1 cup of crisp chopped cucumber. Next, toss in 1 cup of boiled red kidney beans. Now let's prepare our cheesy spinach stuffing. First, we need to blanch our chopped spinach. Now, squeeze it well to remove excess water. Combine it with time to prep our chicken fillet. Cut it through the center like a butterfly. Be careful with the knife. Now, gently pound it with a kitchen hammer. Perfect! We are ready to stuff our chicken. Now let's mix our spices. We need garlic, paprika, pink salt, herbs, onion powder, and pepper. Whisk it all together until it is perfectly combined. Sprinkle it on both sides of the chicken. Now we place our creamy stuffing on the chicken. Add lots of cheese and sun-dried tomatoes. Fold it over to seal in the goodness. Coat it with aromatic garlic oil. Now let's bake it to perfection. Now let the microwave do the hard work. Set the temperature to 200 degrees. Place the chicken on the turntable. Now we let it cook for 10 minutes. I can already smell that delicious aroma. My special stuffed chicken breast. Give this recipe a thumbs up. You definitely have to thumbs up. And don't forget to follow for more. Bye-bye.